Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you create a trip on your Hotels.com app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Hotels.com app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on trips. When you just click here on trips, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above create a trip, you just click on it. You just click here on create a trip. It's going to take you to this list here. Here a trip name in description here. Then here you click on save. Then it's going to create with you here on your Hotels.com app. So that's all you have to do to create your trip. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us